It's me again in my truck. We're here at the Last Warrior. As you can see, damn, I've been running now for 3 days, hard. I probably had like 8 hours sleep in the last 3 days. Damn. I saw 2 crash today. It's kind of raining outside, and 2 18-wheelers collided together on 158 here in Midland, and then another Cisco 18-wheeler. I think he lost control going on the intersection of 137 and 33, hit a car. I think he tumbled, flipped over. It was a mess. Just a reminder that here in Midland, when it starts raining, it gets slippery. You get all these oil haulers. They spread their shit on the highways, and then when it rains, that shit comes up. I feel sorry for the people that were involved in these 2 accidents. Anyway, usually I don't like taking 158. I usually take 349. It's a little longer, but it's a 3-lane. I can't wait. I'm getting excited to show you how I'm going to get to NASCAR. I still look like a jelly bean, as you see. I started my testosterone treatment. So far, so good. I don't feel anything yet. It's only my 2nd day. I don't know if you can see these at the top, but I did the same thing as the other truck. I put some lights on. It's light now outside, but that's what I did. So that's what I'm doing right now, waiting. Probably do another load, get off for a couple of days. We'll start again on Monday, but I'm enjoying it, and I can see hope here in West Texas. The money is better. You get more money, you get more loads. South Texas, I mean, I struggled there for the last year and a half. Tried to make money, save it, so I can get to NASCAR. I may have to, like I told you, I was going to go to Talladega, which is supposed to happen next month. And that'll probably be next month or early June. But you stay tuned, and I'll show you how I'm going to get to NASCAR. I'm getting excited. Yes, I'm out of shape. It looks like a jelly bean for now, but this will change in the next year and a half. Tremendous hope that I have right now. We're in the last, you know, I'm realizing we're the last breed. These guys over here that haul with me, no e-logs. We're on 24 hours. Most of these guys are older guys, tremendous guys. I admire these guys. We have also another company with us, but they are on e-log. They're pretty boys. So they run 12 hours and then they go to sleep. They usually like to run during the day. I started 3 days ago on Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. and I usually offload around 3 o'clock. I go get loaded at 5 in the morning. But man, today I was so tired I had to pull over and sleep for a couple of 2 hours. My power nap, as I call it. Now I'm fresh with 2 hours sleep in 24 hours, and I'll probably do another 2 loads. That's all there is left. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the well. This one had the 40 trucks. We were doing Volca, which was 220 miles, and Big Lake, which is around 74 if you take 137, and about 80 miles if you take 349. I like to take 349, like I told you, because it's 3 lanes. You can pass the other 137. It's dangerous. And 158, well, it gets slippery with all these oil truck on the road, dropping their shit on the highway, and then when it gets rainy, it's a mess. Like I said, there was 2 crashes today. It was raining. One this morning, they had to shut down 158. I believe it was Denmark and another company, 1845. Those guys were involved, head-on collision. They shut down the highway, and a Cisco truck, all sand haulers. I think sand hauling is very dangerous. You gotta be careful, be on your toes all the time. Yeah, that Cisco crash was pretty bad. I think he flipped over, lost control, turned. He overturned the truck and flipped over, and he also hit a car with a passenger in it. I don't know the status of the driver and the passengers, but it didn't look too good. I don't like taking pictures or videotaping these type of crash. Anyway, we're on the last wire. I have maybe 1-2 loads left, and I have been awake now since Wednesday with maybe 8 hours sleep. That's what we have to go through, and now you understand why I can't exercise or have a diet, if you want to call it diet, where you eat regularly. No, it's not happening here. You have a good day, and you stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how I'm going to get to NASCAR. I'm pretty excited. Hopefully, I don't think at 170 I'll hit the wall, but if this happened, then I'm screwed, because I'll probably get hurt, and I won't be able to work, and how long it'll take me to recover, who knows. But I'm looking forward to go to Talladega at the end of next month to show you how I can drive. Anyway, Godspeed, and you have a good day. You stay tuned. Watch me.